Hi guys, my name is Teresa of Chopstick and Succulents, and today I'm going to show you something different from what I usually share on my YouTube channel. I'm here right now at a home and garden center near my place, and I happen to see a lot of succulents on display. So I thought I would show them to you because they are all labeled, and this might help you identify some of the succulents you own that you haven't identified yet. These are displayed indoors and most of them are their green version. So maybe we can play a little game. I will show you the plant and try to guess ahead and find out how many you can identify. So let's start with this one. What do you think this one is? If you think this is a Crassula, you are right. This is Crassula conjuncta. Next, this one here has leaves arranged in a rosette. This is an Echeveria. Echeveria elfstone. Did you guess this one right? Because I didn't. Okay, let's try another one. This one might be a bit easier because this succulent remains green most of the time. It has wavy leaves like a ripple. So this is a ripple jade. Actually, it has a long name. Crassula arborescens, subspecies undulatifolia or ripple jade. Okay, let's try this one. What do you think of this one? Is this another Echeveria? If you think so, you are half right. This is Graptoperia porcelain plant. This is a hybrid, a cross between a Graptopetalum and an Echeveria. So Graptopetalum paraguayense or coast plant and Echeveria derenbergii equals this porcelain plant. How about this one? Can you tell what this one is? This is a Pachyphytum moonsilver. Its leaves are chunky and has thin waxy coatings. This one here is another rosette-shaped succulent. So is this an Echeveria? If you think so, then again you're half right. This is Sedeveria blue elf, another hybrid. It's a cross between a sedum and an Echeveria. Let me show you another Sedeveria. This is Sedeveria jet beads. And this is Sedeveria Sorrento. So what do you think? Do you find identifying these succulents easy or difficult? To me, it's kind of difficult, especially when they are all green and most of them look alike. So let's try this one with a darker brown color. This one has fuzzy or tomentose leaves. This is Kalanchoe tomentosa cinnamon. There is another one here that looks the same but with a lighter color. This is Kalanchoe tomentosa chocolate soldier. This has a grayish tone because this has been indoors, but when in full sun, this will also turn brown. Let's check another rosette-shaped one here. This is an Echeveria, Echeveria atroveridis. I hope I pronounce it right. I do not have this one yet, so I might take this one later. Let's look for more. Oh, this one here is my favorite. Can you guess what this one is? This is Graptosedum California Sunset. This is another cross between Graptopetalum and sedum. I like this one because when in full sun, it can turn peach pink in color. Here's another one that I do not have. Let's see what this one is. This is Graptoveria bella. Bella means beautiful. And again, this is a cross between Graptopetalum and Echeveria. I bet this can become very colorful in full sun. Just look at its color even indoors. Now, this one here, can you guess what this is? This is Kalanchoe longiflora coccilia. Longiflora means long flowers, and coccilia might refer to its scarlet-colored leaves when stressed. Let me show you 3 different Sedum adelphii here. This is Sedum adelphii golden sedum. This is also Sedum adelphii, and it's lime gold. And this is Sedum adelphii firestorm. This one here is Graptopetalum Pentandrome, and its leaves are a bit pointed. This is Graptopetalum Pentandrome also, but it is Murasaki. So if you compare the two, Murasaki has a bit more rounded tip, while the other one is just somehow pointed. I think this is enough identification for now. I hope I did not confuse you even more. But there's something I want to point out here. If you start with rooted plants like this, each will cost you more than $3 each. But then, you can get the specific species you want. But if you're starting and you just want to try different varieties, get some cuttings instead because some of them will cost you only less than $1. And it is very simple to grow them from cuttings. That's how I multiplied my collection faster. So if you want to learn more how to grow succulents from cuttings, I will leave a link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!